Here is a wonderful 2019 Toyota RAV4. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, luggage rack, trip computer. You deserve to get everything you want in your next vehicle. This RAV4 ticks all the boxes: safe, efficient, comfortable, capable, and big on style. You also deserve the best service the industry has to offer. We'll take outstanding care of you. Come in for a test drive and meet our professional team.